Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. And for today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make a zesty, deep fried sea bass sandwich. Alright guys, so we're going to start today's recipe off by mixing all three ingredients together. So I have some cayenne pepper right here, jerk seasoning, and some seafood seasoning. Alright, time to start seasoning our fish. And for today's recipe, I'll be using some Louisiana fish fry products, some seafood breading mix. Yeah. Just empty the entire packet. Alright, go ahead and drop your fish into the egg wash mixture right here. Then we're just gonna drop it into my seafood breading mix. Make sure it's fully covered. Shake it off a little. Back into the egg mixture. Back into the bread and mixture. So we're basically double dipping. This is going to give our fish a nice crispy texture. Time to start making our tartar sauce. I'm going to make it a little bit spicy. Add a little twist to it, all right? So I have some mayo. This is about half a cup of mayo. This is some hot sauce, Old Bay hot sauce, a little bit of lemon juice, some capers, dill pickle, parsley. Mix it around. I'm also going to toast my burger bun, all right? Add a little bit of butter. Once the butter is fully melted and the pan is nice and hot, then I'll add my burger buns. Time to add my burger bun. And we're just going to toast our buns for about 30 seconds. Go ahead and add some cooking oil. Decent amount. Once the oil is nice and hot and ready, then you're going to go ahead and add your fish. Go ahead and add your fish. And we're just going to fry these for about 4 to 5 minutes, or until they're all crispy. Go ahead and flip your fish after about a minute on the skin side. And we're just going to fry it for about 2 minutes on the other side. Alright guys, so the fish is nice and crispy. Time to start making our sandwich, alright? So we're going to add a little bit of tartar sauce that we made earlier. Spread it out. It's going to be so good. We're going to add a little bit of lettuce. Slice of tomato. Some onion, red onion. Gonna put this on top, just like that. Add a little bit more tartar sauce. It's gonna be saucy, crispy, packed with flavor. Just like that. delicious, guys. And that's it. This is our fried fish sandwich.